Understanding Sales Target, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in the business world, sales target. This phrase is often used in professional settings, and understanding it can be crucial if you're working in, or planning to work in, a business environment. Let's dive into what sales target means and how it's used in context. A sales target refers to a specific goal or objective set for a salesperson or a sales team to achieve within a certain time frame. This target can be in terms of the number of products sold, the amount of revenue generated, or any other measurable sales criteria. It's a way for companies to quantify and track sales performance. Sales targets are crucial for several reasons. 1. Measuring performance. They provide a clear benchmark for measuring the effectiveness of sales strategies and the performance of sales teams. 2. Motivation. They often serve as a motivational tool, encouraging salespeople to reach and exceed their goals. 3. Business planning. They help in forecasting and planning for future business growth. Let's look at some examples. Our sales target for this quarter is to sell 500 units of our new product. Jane exceeded her sales target last month, which was an impressive achievement. These examples show how the term is commonly used in business conversations. In this section, we'll discuss how companies set these targets and what strategies sales teams might use to achieve them. It's important to understand that these targets should be realistic, achievable, and aligned with the company's overall objectives. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, sales target. Remember, it's a fundamental concept in the business world, and knowing it can be very beneficial. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.